In today's video, I'm going to teach you, insert video title here. We're going to build a simple, clear table in the Microsoft BI app on your desktop using data from a file like Excel. This walkthrough is perfect if you're new or just need a quick refresher, and I'll keep it straightforward from start to finish. Start by opening the Microsoft BI app on your computer. Once it launches, you can either open a blank report if you're starting fresh, or open an existing report if you'd like to add a table to something you've already been working on. Either way works for this process. Next, import the data for your report. In the ribbon, choose the option to get data, then pick Excel if that's where your information lives. Browse to the file you want, select it, and confirm. If a navigator window appears, choose the sheet or table that contains your data, then click Load. If your file is large, give it a moment to finish. A quick tip: for smoother loading, make sure the Excel file isn't open in another program while you're importing. Now look to the right panel. This is where you'll set up your visuals. Choose the table visual from the visualizations area. A blank table will appear on your canvas. If it's small or tucked in the corner, that's normal. You can adjust it in a moment. With the table selected, go back to the right panel and click on Data so you can work with your fields. From the fields list, select the fields you want to display in your table. As you check them, they'll populate into the table automatically. Pick the columns that make your story clear. Think names, dates, numbers, or categories. If you don't see a field, scroll through the list or expand the table name to reveal all available columns. If the table looks busy, start with a few essential fields, then add more as needed. And this helps keep the layout easy to read and avoids overwhelming your viewers. You can drag the edges of the table to make it bigger. Grab any side or corner and pull it outward to give your data more room. Expanding the table lets more rows and columns show on the screen, and it makes your headers easier to read. That's it. Open your app, open or create a report, load your data, choose the table visualization, select the fields you need, and resize the table for a clean view. Follow these steps, and you'll have a professional, readable table in no time.